Hey everybody, it's a windy day. It's not as windy as it could be, but it's windy. So take a look at this. I gotta take this down. I gotta take it down because it's gonna fly away. And my poor corn. My poor corn. Okay, so I gotta take it down for now. To be continued, all. Okay, I'm back. I took the tarps down. Um, my tomatoes. Everything's going to be kind of thrashed by the end of the day, depending on how long the wind lasts. But here's my corn. Every year with the corn. So once the wind subsides, because me trying to, trust me, I've been living in Southern California all my life with these winds. Me trying to tack up the corn while it's windy is not going to work. What I'm going to do is put a stake or maybe two stakes in each corner and then take twine and pull back up the corn. Right now I can't, it'll be too hard. And it always waits until I have tassels on them, you guys. Like I'm getting corn, I got tassels. I don't think these will blow out. These are on here pretty strong. Yeah. My bean plants, my bean supports, they're laying on that right now. I'm gonna take my stool, put my stool here, like this little stool don't hold anything. It ain't. But just kind of tack these back up. But yeah, we get these winds all the time. Haven't had them this bad in a while. Come on, it's gonna fall. This is gonna fall. It's gonna fall. And I'll tack them back up. There's not much I could do. Everything else is pretty cool. I'm walking without the walker a little bit, but it is cooler out here than it was before. I hope it doesn't tear down my squash. Any of these are so infested. They're so infested with stuff. That's what it looks like, my poor corn. My tomatoes, they're okay. They're in bunches, they're growing. These are mortgage lifters. I don't know how big they're gonna get. But yeah, it went from 90 degrees. It's probably still gonna be hot and windy. That's why I had the shade cloth up. But see, I was just telling my mom that if I had money, what I'm going to do is get some trellises, tall trellises for the garden beds that don't have cattle panel, and put them in there. And then that way I don't have to use them, but in the summer I can put up my shade cloth to be easier than me try to use stakes. So a lot of stakes fell out. I just took the stakes out. This one flew out. These two flew out on their own. I just left them on the ground. In fact, I'm going to put these over here. My knee is actually kind of in a little pain today. Put them right here behind this, so hopefully they won't fly away too easily. The wind won't pick them up. And sorry, I'm just looking at that. I want that pomegranate. And a grapevine's going into the almond tree again. Yeah. So that is it. I'm going to do a quick reminder video for the tomato channel. Ain't nothing you could do. There's nothing I can do. I mean, the wind, I could have put on some shades so that I don't get dust in my eye. But there's really nothing you can do. The wind is the wind. And I just have to fix the results of what the wind does. uh, when the wind event is over with. All right, I'm going in the house. I've done what I can, and that's it. Love you all. Bye.